Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview of this third brake light here on this. This just happens to be a Suburban, but you can use a Suburban or Tahoe that is smoked out, so you can barely see it. And this is a replacement of the standard LED version. So when you press the brake, it is going to light up like this. Coincidentally, it matches perfectly with these. Whoa. LED, almost like a fiber optic type modern Escalade type look. So if you have a Suburban Tahoe, or maybe even other, there's probably other options, other vehicles. This is just the one for this one. I'm sure there's a variety of different types of cars, but this one, when you take your brake off, it blends in. You could just slightly see it in there. And so I was looking for something that was a little bit more custom, but as you can see here, when it's not on, it is kind of hard to see. It kind of blends right in with the smoke look. And then when you hit the brake, it will light up brighter as all get out. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, a little custom, this might be the option for you. Hopefully this helps.